AI modeling for the ERP engine. PPC, production planning and control, costing, WIP, work in progress, and the material issue to the production cost of production posting to costing sub-edger and summary posting to the chart of account, COA. Book for your library and Python programs for the result, shown in video. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Keynote. The engine is processing ERP raw data of enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems and artificial intelligence, AI, engine. ERP systems are software suites that integrate core business processes like accounting, inventory management, and production planning. AI modeling can be used to optimize various ERP functions. AI engine is developed using Python program. AI engine developed, 1. Training data, 2. Testing data and then providing unseen data for forecast output. AI engine consists of an input data set, training data set, and hidden layer or layers. AI engines hold immense potential for transforming various aspects of enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems. Here's a breakdown of how AI can be leveraged in ERPs and the types of AI engines that might be suitable. ERP functionalities suited for AI. Data processing and automation. AI can automate tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and report generation, freeing up human resources for more strategic work. Forecasting and demand planning. AI can analyze historical data and market trends to predict future demand for products and materials, leading to optimized inventory management and production planning. Risk management and fraud detection. AI can analyze financial transactions and identify patterns that might indicate fraud or financial irregularities. Supply chain optimization. AI can optimize logistics by analyzing data on transportation routes, supplier performance, and inventory levels. Customer relationship management, CRM, integration. AI can personalize customer interactions, predict customer churn, and recommend relevant products or services. Types of AI engines for ERP. Machine learning, ML algorithms can learn from data to make predictions and improve over time. This is suitable for tasks like demand forecasting, fraud detection, and customer churn prediction. Specific examples: support vector machines, SVMs, for classification tasks like anomaly detection, decision trees for making predictions based on a set of rules, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for analyzing sequential data like customer behavior. Deep learning, DL, a subfield of ML. DL uses artificial neural networks with multiple hidden layers to process complex data like images, text, and audio. This might be suitable for tasks like image recognition in quality control or sentiment analysis in customer reviews. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP allows AI to understand and process human language. This can be used for tasks like automated report generation, summarizing customer feedback, or improving the user experience through chatbots. Choosing the right AI engine. The optimal AI engine for an ERP system depends on the specific task and data involved. Here are some factors to consider. Task complexity. Simpler tasks might be handled by traditional ML algorithms, while complex tasks involving unstructured data like text or images might benefit from deep learning. Data availability. Some AI engines require large amounts of data for training, while others can work with less data. Consider the volume and quality of data available within your ERP system. Integration and scalability. Ensure the chosen AI engine integrates seamlessly with your existing ERP infrastructure and can scale to handle growing data volumes. Additional considerations. Explainable AI. XAI. As AI becomes more complex, understanding how it makes decisions becomes crucial. Look for AI engines with XAI features to ensure transparency and trust in its outputs. Human expertise. Even with advanced AI, human expertise remains vital for data preparation, model selection, and interpreting AI results for strategic decision-making. By implementing suitable AI engines and leveraging human expertise, businesses can unlock the power of AI to optimize ERP processes, gain valuable insights from data, and make data-driven decisions for improved efficiency and profitability. The core components: input data set, training data set, and hidden layer, S, are fundamental building blocks of many artificial intelligence, AI, engines, specifically those that utilize artificial neural networks, ANNs. Here's a breakdown of their roles. 1. Input data set. This is the raw data that the AI engine is fed on. It can include various formats like text, images, numbers, or any data relevant to the task the AI is designed for. Imagine it as the ingredients for a recipe. The quality and variety of the ingredients can influence the final output. 2. Training data set. This is a curated subset of the input data set. It's specifically chosen and labeled with desired outcomes to train the AI engine. Continuing the recipe analogy, this is like following a specific recipe with designated measurements for each ingredient. The training data guides the AI in learning the patterns and relationships between the input data and the expected output. 3. Hidden layer, S. These are the layers within the AI engine where the actual learning and processing happens. They are not directly accessible by the user and are often referred to as hidden for that reason. Each hidden layer consists of interconnected artificial neurons, which are loosely inspired by biological neurons in the brain. These neurons process the data from the previous layer, applying mathematical functions and weights to extract features and patterns. There can be one or many hidden layers, depending on the complexity of the task. Here's a simplified analogy. Imagine showing a child, the AI, many pictures of cats and dogs, training data, and labeling them accordingly. Over time, the child learns to distinguish between cats and dogs based on specific features in the pictures, patterns. This is similar to how an AI engine with hidden layers processes the training data to learn and make predictions on new, unseen data, input data set. By iteratively processing data through the input, training, and hidden layers, the AI engine refines its internal model and improves its ability to perform tasks like classification, prediction, or pattern recognition. Thank you.